tayo. Diyan po papasok si Presidente. Sigla lang po muna tayo.
Okay. Okay man yung doktor dyan. Wala man yung pero good. Patay man yung patay mo putusa. Wala problema. Fight lang. Anak. Anak ka. Okay man yung doktor dyan. Gikan mo sa gawas delikado. Let's begin first with the machines. Huwag kayong magtipid. I do not want to have savings. Kung gastusin ninyo or if you think that it can be spent for some other way, all you have to get is a permission to use it for some other purpose. Gusto ko yung anong ibigay ko, ubusin ninyo para sagad-sagad. Not a peso less, not a peso more. Huwag naman yung bottoms up kasi hindi na pwede yung so I'd like to zero in some mga machines. MRI is very important. Yung sa kidney, yung machines lang, tanggalin mo na yung mga warehouse pati dormitorio.
Yes, sir.
Magkano lahat ang tingin mo? Can they total it and can I have a figure?
Yes, sir.
Itong MRI, madre importante talaga yan. Then you have the hyperbaric for those wounded and sabi nila nakakatulong yan pagka lalo na itong may gangrene and so that's very important for soldiers who are wounded and takes a long time for them to be transported to the hospital. Well, let me remind you again that I said I'm giving up the yung aeroplano ng yung naka-assign sa akin. In the meantime, the military can use it for any yung evacuation of soldiers who are really in dire need to have more medical attention. So yung mga Fokker na yan, you can always use that. Just coordinate with the Air Force. Hindi masyado, I can use the commercial flights. You can use it, pati yung presidential plane, use it during times of need. You're running out of time and they have to be here for further medical intervention. Andiyan ka na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Magkano?
The total for MRI para dun sa kidney stone and cath lab is 149 million. Pagkasama yung hyperbaric, paklik mo nga dun sa, ayan, sir, hyperbaric is 65 million. Sir.
Ito muna kayo nagkukwenta si Batsit.
Kung ito silang lahat, sir, 214 million.
Go. You have it. Then, yung sabi mo, the building that can hardly be used because the toilets can no longer be rehabilitated with viability. Anong purpose ng building na?
That is our main hospital, sir, 7 floors.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ayan, yan, dapat kasi you have to improve the sanitation. You know, always, when I go to wherever, I always look at the amenities, especially the CR. Kung madumi na masyado yan, how much would it cost me to build a new building?
When we ask the engineers, sir, and architects to do the chinek nila, sir, sabi ko kasi pwede ko ba yung building namin mag-50 years old na? pinuntahan yan sir ng private and engineers natin, tinignan na sir yung building nyo, pwede pa retrofit lang kasi pagkakailangan ng building, billions ang kailangan mo. Hindi lang siguro hindi ko sir nakuha yung figure, pero kung re-retrofit mo lang siya, 150 million will be enough, sabi niya. Kasi,
Yung,
yes, sir.
I really want almost a new one sa drainage, pati urinals and everything. Tsaka bakbakin mo yan, di ba? I want a clean and talagang working, importante yan eh.
But it would be better sir if we have a new building. Kung,
That was the advice of the older guy. Now let me ask you, what would be the utility of that old building if I give you a new one?
a smaller new building sir, magagamit pa rin namin to sir.
Yes, okay.
With the retrofit namin.
How much a new building would?
The one we submitted for in DOH sir, ORER complex pa lang is around 300. Ayan sir. ER complex pa lang is about 327 million. Operating room, emergency room lang yan sir, plus ICU sa
Operating you have already what you need there, X-ray and everything?
It's still not complete sir. Marami pa rin kami. But this thing sir, nabibili namin unti-unti dun sa trust fund lang namin na naiipon galing sa PhilHealth sir.
So you'd be able to build a new operating room out of the money that you have in your hand?
Wala sir, kasi kaya ni-request namin sir.
Of course, well, we'll talk about it later. But how, ang isang building, magkano po?
Yung sinabi niya sa
Raw
amin, sir,
estimate. 3?
ganun sir.
Yes, sir. 327, sir.
Kayo na yon?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, ng ER complex sir, 327.
Okay, 327, then I want maybe a retrofit of the old building. Huwag mo muna ninyong gamitin hanggang hindi kumpleto. That is really one that would be habitable to a human being. Lalo na yung kubeta. Magkano lahat yun? So, what, the 300 plus 100 for the retrofitting of the old building.
150 for retrofitting plus 300. Kano? 327. 328. Plus 150.
477. 477.
Chapter, another billion. Sayang kasi ang building. Dagdagan na lang natin, but I want a retrofit that's really good. Kasi you never know, we'll be using a lot of beds. Kung kaya lang ha, kunta-kunta muna tayo dito.
Sir, the core equipment is 214 million plus 150 for retrofitting, that is already 364 million. Plus if you add the building sir na ORER complex, that's 328 million. That is 692 million sir, almost 700 million.
Let me repeat again. I'll give you a new building, okay? I want a retrofit that's really a retrofit in all sense of the word. Huwag yung basta-basta lang. Kung baklasin mo, and when I'm giving you the money. And yung mga iba pa, but kasi those things that would enhance life, meaning life-saving machines. Okay na yan. Okay, sir.
Malasakit, tunay na pagbabago, tinud-anay ang kausaban. But that change, if it is to be permanent and significant, must start with us and in us. We have to listen to the murmurings of the people, feel the pulse, support satisfy their needs and fortify their faith and trust in us whom they elected to public office. I am here because I love my country and I love the people of the Philippines. I am here, why? Because I am ready to start my work for the nation.
President of the Philippines, Rodrigo Roa Duterte.